Hey y'all, my name is Brittany for the newcomers. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting. Today's video is going to be a little different from my usual content. I just moved back to my hometown and I needed to get some new furniture for my living room. So I found a website called Sofamania and I fell in love with this black sectional, y'all. It's so cute. I felt like it would go well with my Pinterest aesthetic I'm going for, and the color schemes that I decided to go with is black, white, and gold. So hopefully my vision comes together and I can find pieces I like to fit in the space. As far as my packaging, everything came intact and packaged pretty well, but I didn't like the fact that you receive one package a day early and the other two a day later. But it's cool, it's not a big deal. I did like the fact that it ships within 2 to 4 days, so that kind of made up for all my pieces not coming at the same time. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all watch me build this couch and I will see y'all in my next video. honey, do y'all see how dusty them boxes got my clothes? Not cute. So this is the screw that they give you to screw in all the screws for the furniture, and I was having a hard time, but I forgot I had this 43-piece kit that I got from Walmart, and this thing came into clutch, y'all. Cut the time down so much more. But anyways, that is all I have for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.